what do you want for breakfast?
Chocolate pancakes.
Well, if she wants pancakes, she's gonna have to help me. So let's start with the ingredients, and I will list this at the end of the video. 2 cups of any type of flour. We have 1/4 cup of sugar, but I normally put a little bit more. Then we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we make sure that all the dry ingredients are very well mixed. And she's doing a great job here. I'm gonna help her out a little bit, but she did an awesome job. Now we're gonna make sure all the liquids are mixed together. So we have 1/2 cup of milk. I normally put a little bit more, but 1.5 cups it is. The original ingredient had 1 egg, but I'm putting 2 eggs. Then we have the vanilla extract that Mama made. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. And what else are we putting? Oh, instead of butter, I'm putting 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're gonna make sure we mix all that stuff very well before we mix it with the ingredients, the dry ingredients. And I'm sorry, one more thing I forgot, the main ingredient. Since it's very hard to find baking powder in Italy, we're using 1 cup of plain old yogurt. Just 1 cup of yogurt will substitute the baking powder in this recipe for pancakes. What's your favorite pancake?
Chocolate pancakes.
And what other things do you like to put on your pancakes?
Just chocolate.
You don't use...
Oh, and sprinkles. Maybe even ice cream.
You dropped the piece? Of course, if it's chocolate, let's not try to... Yeah, I know. Okay.